Hey, high school, happy Monday. So, today I'd like you to practice your self portrait contour line drawing one more time. Actually, I'd like you to do two more practices today. Go ahead and read the feedback that I sent you from Friday's drawings. That will be up pretty soon here. And, um, and then try again two times. Some of you just sort of drew the face and then put in shapes for cheeks. That's not really cross contour line drawing. So today, I want you to do all of your drawing without lifting up your pencil. No erasing. I'm also going to suggest you start with the nose, and I'll talk you through that. So my head might be in the way for some of it. I'll try and move back and forth. Here's my paper. I've got my mirror. There's Texas, who's Miss Warren's dog that I'm watching. She is so excited about all of this. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? What's going on here? She's a little confused. All the furniture's moved around. Okay, let's give it a shot. So, in looking at the mirror, I'm going to start with the shape of my nose, and I'm going to start with the round part. So I've got this round part. The dog just climbed on the sofa. If you hear me scream, it's because the laptop fell, and then you'll hear me cry. Okay, so I've got the round part, I've got my nostrils, I've got the skin around my nostrils, right? Remember, in through here, this dog, come here, get down. There you go. This part in through here is really just value. I can add part of that line as I'm drawing my eye sockets and my eyes. Line variation is a really important part of this process. So I'm drawing in Sharpie, which means all my lines are going to be the same weight. You should draw with lighter lines and then go back in and darken it. But again, it's more than just drawing in cheek shapes. Okay, here we go. So starting with the nose. And again, as I'm drawing, I'm sort of looking more at the mirror than at my paper. And I'm thinking about those ideas of the proportions, how far things are, even though I haven't drawn them in yet. So here's my eye. Whoops, that's okay. And my eyelid. And then I've got sort of this, how to get it over here. Can you all see that drawing that's happening that I'm trying to show you? Okay. So now I'm coming across into this eyebrow ridge and into this eye. And I've got that eyebrow. Go back here and put in this eyeball. And then I definitely want to add those pupils in there to make it look real. Okay, so where was I? Coming back across the face, I need some room here for the side. I'm going to come up, and I got a little close to the edge of my paper, but that's okay. At the top of the ears. And I'm really working with my pen or pencil in the middle, so that my control is a little bit different. Okay, now I'm going to really try and look at this chin shape. My face was a little bit turned. So, and then again, your hair is above your head. Put in some eyebrows here. That eye looks a little angry. Come back into the nose, and I lifted up my pencil, but that's okay. Draw this lip line in the middle, and that lip line should be darker, and then I sort of come down and draw the bottom of my lips and my chin here. Okay, and the reason that we practice is because sometimes you'll end up with something that looks less like you, and that's okay. You just sort of want to practice again. All right, so that's again sort of the steps that I'm talking through. See, looks just like me. As far as the cheeks and forehead go, then I can come back in and sort of define those lightly as I'm thinking about the shapes that make up the face. And again, I want to have those lines be a little bit less important, right? Thinking about this shape is right here. I don't know if you can see that. Coming across, thinking about the planes of the forehead. And then go back in and darken those facial features. Okay, 2 more practices today, and I'll give you some more feedback on your drawings.